Hey guys, good morning. So here we have poem number 3 and the title is The Quarrel, written by Elena Fajon. So the poetess is from United Kingdom, London, Hampstead. She was born on 13th Feb 1881 and she died on 5th June 1965. Besides this, what albums she has developed are David Hobson and Teddy Tau Rhodes. These are her albums, and she has received variant awards also, and her awards are Hans Christian Andersen Award for Writing, Carnegie Medal, Regina Medal. These are her awards. See children, before going through any poem, it is very much important for us to know at least a little about the writer or the poet. So the poem Quarrel, which is a very beautiful poem, is written by Elena Fajon, and the awards she won were Hans Christian Andersen Award for Writing. The another one was Carnegie Medal, and the next one is Regina Medal. I'm sure this much is very much understandable to everybody. So let's move towards the explanation of the poem, that is The Quarrel. Well children, so here you can see the poem on my screen, and the title is The Quarrel. So what does the quarrel stand for? Quarrel stand for fighting. This fighting can be vocal also, and it can be physical also, any kind of fighting. So here the topic is related to the fight or the misunderstanding of thoughts between siblings. So here is some detail about the poem. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say what they quarrel, why they quarrel, but how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? So in the poem, poetess want to say that none of us actually know that why they are quarreling. What is the main reason behind the quarrel between brothers and sisters? So here starts her poem. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. Poetess is saying that she used to fight with her brother, and what was the reason because of her fighting, she don't know till date. One thing led to another. She wants to say that the things started to happen in series. One thing gave a chance to the another thing, and the quarrel, which actually started in a very slight way, it gradually got horrible and horrible. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. So here poetess is saying that the start of the quarrel was very slight. It started in a very slight mode, but gradually it started to get stronger and stronger. And the brother believed that he was right, but the sister believed that the brother was absolutely wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Suddenly, my brother thumped me on the back. So what the poetess is saying, we hated one another. It means just because of such quarrel and fight, they started to hate one another. They did not even wanted to look at each other's face. and their quarrel turned black. Here black means very unhappy, you can say annoying, you can say sad. Okay, here black does not mean with the color black, it means by the feeling. So, then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Now what happened? After quarreling so much, the brother would come to the poetess and he would thump her on the back. Thump here means to tap or to hit. Okay, to tap or to hit. So he would come and hit on her back and would say, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." It was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So here what the brother said? The brother said, "Oh, come along, how much we can fight." No matter if our thoughts are not matching, it does not mean that we can continue the fight for lifelong. Definitely we have to come to an end. The fight must come to an end and we should again start living happily and by forgetting all the disputes. So here the poetess says that this was the thought where actually she was wrong and her brother was absolutely right, because this was the lovely thought which did not strike her mind and which struck her brother's mind. So guys, I'm sure you might have understood the poem, you might have understood the content. Now here I've got some glossary and extracts for you all, that how in your examination you can come across the question which is extract based. So stay connected, don't go anywhere. Well viewers, my dear children, so on my screen you can see that I have brought extract based questions for you all. But before that I give you extract, I want to give you some difficult words that we had in the poem. First one was black and the other one was thumped. Black here stands for unhappy, whereas thumped here stands for hit hard. So I have brought two extracts for you. The first one is obviously from the first paragraph. I quarreled dash dash, he was wrong. This you can check from your textbook. It is the first paragraph from your textbook. And the question here is, the passage has been taken from the poem. So here you have to write down the name of the poem from where the passage has been taken, and the title is, the correct answer is The Quarrel. So the next question we have, the author of the poem. So you all know the author of the poem is Eleanor Fairjohn. And the third question is, it seems that the brothers quarrelled on. So what do we understand from the poem? That the brothers quarrelled on a petty matter, some very important matter, money matter or property matter. So the correct answer is your option number A, that is a petty matter, because siblings used to fight on very small things. They don't ever need to fight on the big matters. They have very small issues to fight upon. So they were fighting on a petty matter. The next one we have, both the brothers felt that the other was. So both the brothers felt that the other was right, wrong, honest, dishonest. Both felt that the other was wrong. सबको ये लग रहा था कि जो मेरा भाई है वो गलत है. Now we have paragraph number 2. And it is same as from your textbook. We hated dash dash in the right. You can check your textbook and you can go through the paragraph. It is available there. So the questions we are having is, first question we have, those who hated one another were. So those who hated one another were actually brothers. That is the correct option. They were not friends, they were not enemies, they were not strangers. The afternoon turned black because the two of them, options, were angry, were disappointed, had lost the way, had quarreled. So what was the reason that the afternoon turned black? It means it turned unhappy because they both had quarreled. So now you might be thinking कि ma'am just told me that the writer is the poetess, she is the female. Yes, the writer of the poem is poetess, she is female, but here, inspiring from her own life, she has given the poem, and here in the poem the characters are two brothers. Okay, so here we have as the character two brothers. It means the authoress is not relating her own life in the poem. She has taken inspiration from her own life, and in her poem the character she has taken that are siblings, that are two brothers. Okay children, moving towards the next question, the initiative to end the quarrel was taken by. So who took the initiative to end the quarrel? Of course, the speaker's brother, because the brother came and he tapped upon the back. I hope you all remember. And the last question that we have in the series is the one in the wrong was. So who was on the wrong side? Of course, at the end we get to know from the poem when the poet accepted that I was wrong and my brother was right. So here the correct answer is the speaker. I'm sure this much is very clear to everybody. So guys, if you liked the content, if you have really liked the explanation, you can subscribe to the channel, you can hit the like button. Okay guys, catch you later. Bye. Take care.